Sherweb's been an instrumental partner for us. They actually joined some of our early webinars and helped really get the ball rolling for us. The highest turnout that we've had for webinars has been since we've started talking about Copilot over the past 18 months, and we've had a tremendous amount of success thanks to Sherweb's expertise and guidance.
Sherweb has been invaluable, whether it be Copilot or Microsoft Azure or any new technologies coming about. They're just super supportive, and they just have that bench strength of expertise that are available to empower our team to be the best they can be.
The way that Sherweb keeps partners abreast and up to date of a lot of different changes, but not only changes, but how you can make it work for your company and your MSP. It's great knowledge to have.
We've really embraced AI over the past 18 months to 2 years, and we're a Microsoft partner, so Copilot is a natural choice for us. Of course, we're really closely with Sherweb, been great helping to enable us and support our journey down AI and help keep us informed and up to date. So came here today to continue our education and continue to provide stronger offerings to enable our partners.